Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty, but today we're switching things up a bit, focusing on something that's essential but often overlooked: oral health. If you've ever struggled to keep those hard-to-reach spaces clean, you know the frustration, and I get it. It's easy to forget how much a difference interdental cleaning can make, but that's exactly why I'm reviewing the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Refills today. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new review. Let's get into it. So, what exactly are the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Refills? These are soft-bristled floss brushes designed to clean between your teeth, getting into those spaces your regular toothbrush just can't reach. They come in a 36-count package and are compatible with the GUM permanent handle or their dual-ended handle. This makes it easy to swap out the brush heads for a fresh, hygienic clean. And if you're like me, you'll appreciate that each brush is treated with a solution that keeps it hygienic for up to 10 days. Now, what really sets these apart? First, the extra-wide design. These aren't your standard floss picks. They're specifically crafted to target wider interdental spaces, which is perfect if you have bigger gaps between your teeth or if you wear appliances like braces. The bristles are soft but effective, removing plaque and food particles that can build up between your teeth throughout the day. I was curious about how they'd feel during real-world use, so I tested them for a few weeks in my routine. I'll admit, I was a little skeptical at first, but I was pleasantly surprised. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are incredibly easy to use. They glide between teeth smoothly, with no awkward angles or uncomfortable bending. And for someone like me, who's always cautious about damaging enamel, these were gentle but thorough. The nylon-coated wire ensures there's no scraping or scratching, which is a huge win if you're wearing braces like my husband. Yes, he actually helped me out here since he's been using these regularly. Speaking of which, let's pause for a second. If this review is helpful, please like and subscribe. Click the bell icon too. It helps us out so much, and we can keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. If you're ready to try these out, I've left a link in the comments. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the plus side, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are fantastic for cleaning those tight spots. They're simple to use, and the extra-wide design means they work well for people with larger interdental spaces or braces. Plus, they last up to 10 days, which is really convenient. And let's not forget how gentle they are. Whether you have braces, implants, or any dental appliances, you don't need to worry about causing damage. On the downside, the wider brush size may not be ideal for everyone. If you have particularly tight spaces between your teeth, these might be too bulky for you. They also require a compatible handle, so if you don't already have one, that's an additional purchase. Now, value for money, these are priced reasonably considering the quality and the fact that they come in a 36-pack. If you're someone who prioritizes oral hygiene, especially with braces or other dental devices, the investment is well worth it. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other interdental brushes on the market, but I'd say these offer good quality for the price. In terms of build quality, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are solid. The nylon-coated wire feels durable, and the bristles hold up well with regular use. The handle is comfortable and easy to grip, and as mentioned, they're designed for people with braces or dental appliances, so they really take those extra needs into account. Final verdict. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are a solid choice for anyone needing a reliable interdental brush. They work great for wider spaces, are gentle yet effective, and are designed with care for those with braces or dental work. If you have tighter spaces, they might not be the perfect fit, but for most, they should do the job. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried these, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Don't forget, you can find the link to purchase in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.